Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Economics Zone. In my last video, we have studied aggregate demand and its components. Aggregate demand and its components: consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus export minus import. And talked about consumption hypothesis according to Keynes. But keep in mind, Keynes assumes closed economy, so we will not consider export minus import in this equation of aggregate demand by Keynes, given by Keynes. Okay, so we will consider only consumption plus investment plus government expenditure in equation given by Keynes. Why? Because we will not consider, uh, because Keynes assumes closed economy. We will consider export minus import when we will talk about open economy. Okay, and we have found that according to Keynes, marginal propensity to consume is constant because C naught is constant, but average propensity to consume declines as income increases. We have already done this in my last video. Average propensity to consume is equal to C var divided by Y plus C naught. C naught is marginal propensity to consume, and this is autonomous consumption. This is autonomous consumption, and this is constant. Okay, according to Keynes, if income increases, average propensity to consume. And how? If income increases, this denominator will be greater than numerator, so average propensity to consume will decrease. But in 1940, Simon Kuznets picked data from 1869 to 1940 and proved that average propensity to consume is constant as income increases. So puzzle arose between Keynes and Kuznets, and this puzzle between Keynes and Kuznets has been solved by Franco Modigliani. Uh, so Franco Modigliani, according to Franco Modigliani, we will consider it with the help of equation. Okay, we will consider this solution with the help of equation. We will take, firstly, we take total wealth plus retirement year multiplied by monthly income, sorry, annual income, divided by expect to life, is equal to smooth consumption. Okay, W is wealth and R is retirement year, and Y is equal to annual income. and T is time expect to life. I mean a person how many years will live in future. Okay, and C is consumption. And now consumption is equal to W, total wealth, divided by T, plus our retirement income divided by T y. We can write this such that R upon T y. Now we can write 1 upon T alpha and R upon T beta. Okay, we write it alpha W plus R upon T beta y. And now dividing both sides by y. Okay, C upon y alpha W upon y plus beta y upon y. Cut off. Uh, what is this? C upon y is APC, average propensity to consume. Average propensity to consume is equal to alpha W upon y plus beta. Okay, here you can write this. And we have this is equation of Franco-Modigliani. According to Franco-Modigliani, both Keynes and Kuznets are right. Keynes' consumption hypothesis is related to short run, and Kuznets' consumption hypothesis is related to long run. Under long run, according to Franco-Modigliani, under long run, W and Y both change. So average propensity to consume constant. If numerator and denominator both change, then average propensity to consume will constant. Okay, under short run, W, I mean wealth does not increase but Y increases, so average propensity to consume decrease. In long run, sorry, in short run, W, wealth, वेल्थ को नहीं बढ़ा सकते ना शॉर्ट रन में, वेल्थ सिर्फ लॉन्ग रन में ही बढ़ता है. वेल्थ डज नॉट इंक्रीज बट वाई इनकम इंक्रीजेस. इनकम तो शॉर्ट रन में बढ़ता है, राइट. एनुअली इनकम होता है ना, वो तो शॉर्ट रन में बढ़ता है. शॉर्ट रन मतलब 1 ईयर टाइम पीरियड. ओके, तो इनकम तो मंथली बढ़ता है, वेल्थ हमारा नहीं बढ़ता है. वेल्थ मतलब जो हमें हमें हमारे पूर्वजों से मिला है, वेल्थ, ज़मीन जो भी है, दैट इज़ वेल्थ. इनकम जो आपको मंथली मिलता है, आप अपनी सर्विस देते हैं, जो आप मंथली अर्न करते हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इनकम. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट इनकम. ठीक है. income increases in short run. So average propensity to consume W upon Y plus beta. If it will increase, then denominator will be greater than numerator, so APC will decrease. In long run, wealth will increase and income will increase, so APC will remain constant. This remain constant. Okay, it has been talked by Kuznets, and it has been talked by Keynes, and this puzzle has been solved by Franco Modigliani. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.